Quiz5 Question 2. Brom and Woofet are two fund managers with below performance statistics for the past 5 years. So here are our statistics. Construct a portfolio with a standard deviation of 16% using Woofet's fund and a risk-free asset. What is the average return of the constructed portfolio? So our portfolio will only contain Woofet and risk-free assets. Now notice we're trying to get a target standard deviation of 16%, but Woofet only has a standard deviation of 11. So the way that we would increase this is by going opposite of something else, right? Or taking more of Woofet. Since the risk-free has a standard deviation of 0, we know we're going to get risk-free. So we need to first figure out how much do we need to have in Woofet. And the way that we would do that is by looking at our target and then dividing that by the amount that the Woofet portfolio brings of 11% standard deviation. We see then we need to go along an extra 45% in Woofet. What that means is we also then need to get capital from somewhere. And the way that we're going to do that is we're going to short the risk-free. We're going to sell it. So to calculate our position in the risk-free, it's going to be 1 minus the amount in Woofet. So we're going to have a net short of our portfolio of 45.45% negative risk-free, and we're going to go long 145 in Woofet. So then our average return is going to be equal to the return that we get in Woofet times the weight in Woofet plus the return on the risk-free times the quantity of the risk-free. So notice we're long here, short here, so those balance out. And so what we find is by going short or going extra long in Woofet, we raise our return from 12% to 16.9%.